Missing the first game wasn't by choice, but the lads stood out and fought for the club. That's what is important. I'm definitely looking forward to a derby encounter. It is always not the easiest of games, but with good attitude, things fall in your favor. Obviously, the delay is not ideal, but situations do occur and you really have to deal with them as they come. Deal with them properly and deal with them effectively. Having said that, the team has been doing so well in terms of our preparations, but now we are kind of limping and bleeding through unfortunate injuries encountered recently, of which it is a negative for us. As mentioned earlier, attitude will be the difference in this encounter. It has always been. Definitely goals, goals, goals. Assist, assist, assist. That is me improving from last season's great performances, but with zero goals and assists. Of course, not neglecting good performances. So it's gonna be a very, very difficult season for me, but I really need to grind and work through things so that I really achieve my goals. Looking forward to it. I am urging the United Amatanzanta Apitori supporters to really come in numbers. And those ones who have abandoned us to come back to the stadiums. We really miss a 40k plus atmosphere to urge us to give us that extra push. So I'm urging them to really come in numbers, not only for this upcoming game, but also for the next games and until the season finishes. I'm really urging them to be with us and backing us.